Hi friends, welcome to a very important video for the prelims examination 2025. Guys, in this video, I am going to teach you a very scientific method of PYQ analysis, and using that scientific PYQ analysis, we are going to integrate the current affairs and the PYQ, and I am going to gift you one prediction for the UPSC prelims examination 2025. So you are going to benefit two things. First, you are going to learn the scientific method of PYQ analysis, and second, I am going to gift you 2 marks in the prelims examination 2025. So if you are preparing for 2025 prelims, please do watch the entire video till the end. Guys, we all know PYQs are very important, but very few candidates in the country, they have the scientific method of PYQ analysis. In this video, we will learn exactly how to analyze the PYQs and how to integrate them with the current affairs. Guys, in UPSC prelims examination, the questions are set from the current affairs, but they are motivated from the PYQs. Today I am going to show you that. So first, what I am going to do is that I am going to show you recent current affairs which was there in news. You can see here, Tiger Reserve employees restated in Arunachal Pradesh. Guys, if we read this news item, it was a very small news in the newspaper. You can see this: 57 casual employees of the Namdhapa National Park and Tiger Reserve, India's easternmost tiger reserve in Arunachal Pradesh, have been reinstated 3 months after their services were terminated. The reinstatement order said engagement was following the approval of annual operational plan of the NTCA for the financial year 2024-25. Guys, many of you might have just missed this news, and even if you have read this news, you might not think this is very important for the prelims examination. But if you have done the scientific PYQ analysis of the last 20 years of the UPSC prelims paper, then you will realize this is a very important topic for the prelims examination 2025. And let me show you how. So guys, what I did was I was going through the PYQs of the last 30 years, and I came across this question which was asked in the prelims examination 2020. Let us read this question. Among the following tiger reserves, which one has the largest area under critical tiger habitat? This question came in the prelims 2020. Guys, generally what you do when you do the PYQ analysis, we just try to get the answer. The answer of this question is Nagarjun Sagar Srisailam Tiger Reserve. This is the answer of this question. But the real PYQ analysis starts from here. So how to analyze these PYQs, and how doing this PYQ analysis we can know that this is a question which is going to come in the prelims examination 2025. So guys, if you read this question, you can easily make out that here UPSC is focusing on what? UPSC is focusing on the keyword here. You can see here the keyword here is the largest area of the tiger reserve, largest area under critical tiger habitat. Basically what UPSC is asking is the largest tiger reserve. Okay, this means what? In future UPSC can ask what? Smallest tiger reserve, or UPSC can ask what? Easternmost tiger reserve. UPSC can ask what? Westernmost tiger reserve. Or UPSC can ask what? The northernmost tiger or national park, or southernmost national park or biosphere reserve. This means what? You have to prepare the largest, the smallest, the northernmost tiger reserve, the easternmost tiger reserve, the southernmost tiger reserve, and similar for national park also. Generally what we do is that we stop here, we get the answer and we stop here. But if they have already asked the largest tiger reserve, can't they ask in the coming years smallest tiger reserve, or the easternmost tiger reserve, or the westernmost tiger reserve, or the northernmost tiger reserve, or the southernmost tiger reserve, and similar for the national park? Yes, they can. That is what is called PYQ analysis. And if we read this news item carefully, it clearly says that Namdhapa National Park and Namdhapa Tiger Reserve is the easternmost protected area in the country. You can see here, easternmost. Here the keyword is easternmost. So don't you think, if UPSC has asked this question, which is the largest area under the critical tiger habitat, which tiger reserve has the largest area, can't they ask in the coming years the easternmost or the westernmost or the northernmost or the southernmost? Yes, it can. That is what is called PYQ analysis. And guys, I frame questions using this PYQ analysis and mixing with the current affairs. Every day in the newspaper, whatever newspaper comes, I read the newspaper and then I analyze the last 30 years of UPSC questions. And from that, I pick some important themes which have been already asked in the UPSC prelims examination. And then what I do is I brainstorm with the current affairs topics, and then I guess what can be the question which can be asked in the future examination. So using the PYQ, I predict the future year question. Okay, PYQ to FYQ, future year question. Generally people are stuck in the PYQs only. Guys, you can't just be stuck with the PYQs. You have to use the PYQs to predict the future. What is the future? The future is this smallest tiger reserve. That is the future. Largest has already come. It is not going to come again. Smallest, easternmost, westernmost. And why this topic, why this PYQ is important this year? See, all the PYQs are not important every year. Why this PYQ is important this year? Because of this news item, Namdhapa Tiger Reserve and the Namdhapa National Park, the easternmost protected area of the country, is in news. Therefore, what I have done is that I have prepared a small list for your reference, how you have to prepare for the prelims examination. You can see here, protected area, you can see smallest tiger reserve, Bor Tiger Reserve in Maharashtra. Largest tiger reserve, Nagarjun Sri Sailam Tiger Reserve, Andhra. Then largest national park, Hemis National Park, Ladakh. Smallest national park, South Button Island National Park, Andaman and Nicobar. Easternmost national park, okay, this will be basically the northernmost is the Dachigam National Park, Jammu and Kashmir. Then westernmost national park, Gir National Park. Largest biosphere reserve, the Gulf of Kutch, and you can see here smallest biosphere reserve, Dibru Saikhowa Biosphere Reserve, Assam. We can see how we have used the PYQs and then we have linked the current affairs, and using that we have done some extra analysis of the topic and we have prepared this important list, and lot of questions can be prepared using this. Lot of questions can be prepared using this table. Lot of questions I can prepare. I can give just 3 statements. Okay, largest, smallest, easternmost, westernmost, northernmost, southernmost. Okay, so basically what we are talking about the superlatives. Okay, all the superlatives you have to prepare at once. Okay, so do not stop at the PYQ level, link to the current affairs, and then you do this kind of analysis. For every current affairs important topic, I am doing this kind of analysis for my prelims mentorship batch. Guys, I have cracked the UPSC prelims examination 6 out of 6 times with the record of one of the highest marks ever scored in the UPSC exam history. Let me show you some of the scorecards here. So guys, I was able to score this huge marks. You can see here 139, 144. I was able to do this because I used to analyze the PYQs in a scientific manner, and I was able to predict a lot of questions in the UPSC prelims examination. Guys, if you follow my strategy, your prelims journey will be very easy. With least amount of effort, you can crack this examination. Guys, a lot of students, they are wasting their initial years of the preparation in the prelim stage only, and they waste 3-4 attempts in the prelim stage only. And the year they crack the prelims examination in the third or fourth attempt, they are exhausted. If you want to get a rank in this examination, crack prelims as early as possible. That will give you the confidence that I can crack this examination. Guys, let me tell you, if you crack prelims in your first or second attempt, your chances of getting a rank in this journey is very high. On the other hand, if you miss prelims in the first 3-4 attempts, the chances of you getting rank in this journey is very low. So guys, in this prelims mentorship, I give you daily targets. I give you strategies how to cover these daily targets in a very scientific and holistic manner, how you can cover it. Then I give you weekly tests. These are high quality, the present standard, present pattern of the UPSC questions, high weekly tests. Then we also give you some current affairs classes. We give you CSAT mentorship. We give you optional elimination. And in the end, we give you Optima flashcards and Optima notes, which are path breaking in this UPSC preparation, guys. Okay, Optima cards. A lot of questions have directly come from our Optima cards. Okay, guys. So with this, I would like to end this video. If you like this PYQ analysis and if you want me to continue this PYQ analysis, please do hit the like button and please share this video with your friends. Guys, your every like and your every share, okay, motivates me to come out at, come out and make more videos. Guys, this is around, this is early in the morning. It's around 4 a.m. I think it's around 4 a.m. I'm making this video only for you. So your every encouragement, your every like motivates me to come and do some very scientific PYQ analysis never done in the history of the UPSC preparation. And these kinds of PYQ analysis is going to help you a lot in your preparation.